Welcome back for the 2018-19 school year. Thank you for spending a few minutes to review information regarding science instruction and curriculum resources. The K-6 Science page is your destination for all district science resources. By clicking on the first grade tab, you will find links to curriculum and standards documents. The assessment calendar is linked here as well. All first grade assessments are still optional for science. Throughout the school year, I will send updates as needed through email. These updates are archived on the first grade page for your reference. Hands-on science is engaging and exciting for students. It is so important to build a love for science and inquiry in students at a young age. For this reason, FOSS is the governing board approved curriculum resource for K-6 science, and it is expected that every teacher will order and use the designated kits for the grade level they teach. Last spring, teachers received a link to order FOSS kits online. If you have not yet ordered your FOSS kits, there is a link on the K-6 Science Canvas page. Our FOSS kits are a shared resource. It is important that everyone takes care of this shared resource. To this end, please use the materials in your kit for teaching science lessons only. At the district level, we have budgeted for teachers to utilize the consumables to teach the lessons, but not to replace all of the sticky notes, paper clips, etc. in every rotation. Please leave extra consumables in the kit. If a kit has been stripped of all its consumables, then the campus will be charged for their replacement. As the end of a rotation nears, please make sure that you have cleaned and inventoried your FOSS kit. All clean and dry materials should be replaced in the appropriate boxes and returned to the Science Center by the end of the rotation. Campuses that return kits in poor condition will be charged a $50 fee. Make sure to double check your walls for posters, cabinets and shelves for student readers, teacher's guides, and other materials. If materials are missing from a kit, then the teacher will be notified by the Science Center. Any materials not returned within 2 weeks will be charged to the campus. Many of the kits have already been reserved by another teacher for the next rotation, so it is essential that the kits are returned on time. Our Science Center staff needs time to inventory and replenish consumables before the kit moves to the next school. It is every teacher's responsibility to ensure their students' safety during science activities. Every teacher should use an age-appropriate safety contract or pledge with their class. Sample contracts can be found on the FOSS link in the K-6 Science Canvas page. Each activity that involves science materials should include a brief safety talk. Several kits utilize chemicals that require special precautions. Please check the SDS sheets link on the FOSS page for the safety data sheets for each kit. Please review the safety precautions and share the appropriate information with your students. All content areas and grade levels in science will use the 2004 version of the Arizona State Science Standards during the 2018-19 school year. There will be a team of teachers that will work on creating new curriculum maps and aligning materials to the new standards during the school year. If you are interested in participating in guiding science education in our district, please use the link on the K-6 Science homepage in Canvas to show your interest in participating on a work team. Now that you've watched this video, please take the quiz that's linked to the page. If you haven't registered yet in My Learning Plan, you'll need to do that also, and you'll receive a half an hour of professional development credit once you've both taken the quiz and registered in My Learning Plan. The quiz in Canvas will be open until August 31st. Thank you and have a great start to your school year.